My name's Chris Jenkins. I'm transportation manager here at Lawrenceville facility. I'm in dispatch. I have 22 drivers at the moment, and the biggest problem is keeping those guys in line.
Everything is safe.
Good morning, America. My name is Demetrius Harper.
BlueLinx is looking to, well, all right, hold on, sorry.
You want me to sell it?
Yeah, sell it.
Sell it. I got it.
I've been driving for 19 years.
I've been on the road for 17 years. BlueLinx, they've been giving me the tools and whatnot to try to proceed in life as a safety driver.
BlueLinx as a company offers a lot of opportunities. Been promoted a few times now, and it's given me a chance to be back down here in Atlanta with my family.
BlueLinx makes it comfortable to work for this company. They always put you first, put you in good equipment.
I hope once they get on that they want to retire here. We want to make them feel like this is one big family.
And the best part for working for BlueLinx is what?
Something about the trucks. What about your uniforms? Your promotion, food?
They have a uniform program, sweatshirts, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, safety boots, the best equipment, brand new trailers.
BlueLinx, it's a great place to work.